As you walk across St. Peter's Square, you join countless pilgrims drawn by hope, curiosity, and faith. The Papal Audience isn't just a gathering. It's a moment to see the Pope in person, to hear his words, and feel part of a centuries-old tradition. If you've ever dreamed of witnessing this in Rome, my complete guide to attending the Papal Audience will show you how. My name is Njor, and this is Journeys. Here is your number one tip. Tickets are 100% free, so never pay a third party. You need to request them directly from the Vatican Prefecture of the Papal Household. I cannot stress this enough. It is absolutely vital to book months in advance for the best chance. As you can see here, the process is simple, but the seats are limited. I've put the direct link to this official booking form and all the contact info right down in the description box below, so save it and secure your spot right now. You've got the ticket, but the job isn't done. The next rule is simple: arrive early. Doors open around 7 a.m, so aim to be in the line by 6:30 a.m. for the best spot. Now on the way, I found this archway that had some interesting acoustics, and the musician in me couldn't resist trying to make some music. It is currently 8 a.m. Look at this. All the line is heading into the Vatican. Look at all this. I'm going back. Here are some items that I think are essential to bring with you: a hat and sunglasses for protection from the sun, your most comfortable shoes. Also pack a few quiet snacks because you'll be waiting a while. Make sure your phone has full charge because you'll be taking a lot of pictures and videos. And lastly, a plastic water bottle because metallic bottles are not allowed and will be confiscated by the polizia before entry, but you can retrieve when exiting. However, I think it will take a lot of time. This is a sacred space, so the Vatican enforces a strict modesty code for everyone. That means no tank tops, sleeveless shirts, shorts or skirts above the knee. While security sometimes offers a disposable covering, your best bet is to pack a light shawl or a large scarf to quickly cover up and guarantee your entry. Because of the extreme heat, the audience was moved from the square into the indoor Paul VI hall, which was actually a huge advantage. The biggest perk of registering our group early is that the Vatican security escorted us straight to the front quadrant. This means that we weren't just sheltered from the sun, we had an incredibly up-close and intimate view of the Pope, all thanks to that early ticket.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning!
We will have the audience in several places in different moments to stay a little bit out of the sun and the extreme heat.
So, what actually happens? The Papal Audience is a time of catechesis and prayer and not a mass. It therefore begins with a reading from a sacred scripture, then followed by the Holy Father's homily. Now, since there are pilgrims from around the globe, shorter summaries of his message are offered in up to 8 major languages, making the whole experience feel truly universal. The entire audience concludes with the Holy Father giving his apostolic blessing to everyone present, a powerful and moving moment that truly unifies the entire crowd. The beautiful part is the personal touch. Newly married couples often sit in a special Sposi Novelli section right up front. If you're lucky, some pilgrims may even have the opportunity to greet the Holy Father personally. after the blessing. However, as you can see here, it is not the most chill place to be in. Thousands of people try to make it to the best vantage point next to the main aisle, so be sure to get there first and to take care of your belongings while at it. And once the Pope vacates the building, you are all very nicely escorted out the hall as well. And just like that, the papal audience is over. Was it worth it? Now, if you're Catholic, absolutely. Receiving the apostolic blessing from the Holy Father in person is a uniquely profound and unforgettable spiritual moment. If you're not Catholic, it's still an incredible experience. You witness a powerful piece of cultural history and see a global leader up close and feel the energy of pilgrims from around the world. If you're planning a trip to Rome, I hope this guide helps you to experience the papal audience. Leave a comment below with any questions that you have. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel guides. Cheers and see you in the next one. Bye. Look at this. Not built in a day. I'm telling you. Brilliant. Brilliant. So much to take in. I feel like the camera does not do it any justice.